songs of our audience from the musical. Basically, yung mga kinakanta namin noon.
Nagbabanda kami.
Kasi hinahanap nila yan.
Yeah. Way back, Alibi Bar. Mga kanta namin. May mga iba na mga binago pa. Mga binago pa. Updated.
Rearrange.
May konting hello po. Hello.
How are you?
Isn't that a song? Sensya na kayo nag-rehearse kami. Lorelai yan. Pumapasok po talaga na. Parang automatic lang. Kasi nga, sa tagal ng pinagsamahan namin, imagine we were together for 8 years. No? From 79 until we disbanded in 86. 8 years tayo nagkakasama. Pero kasi, we're like family. Nagkikita pa rin kami, nag-uusap pa rin kami, may chat kami. So we're connected in some ways. In more ways than one. You know, like, even if some are all over the world. World? Kasi dati, the world!
Ako nasa St. Luke's lang.
Philippines, America, Philippines, dalawang countries lang pala.
May Middle East ba?
Dati.
When Eva was there.
Yeah. So, but we are
Nag-London
still
pa siya.
connected. And we're
Still
really,
friends
we are
after all these
friends
years.
after all these years. In fact, this is our 46th year since we started in 79. Last year was 79. If you count 1979, as musical magic, you started something else earlier.
But in those 46 years po, ilang shows ang meron kayo as a musical?
Well, ang dami.
The first one was 1996.
No, but we did
US.
music museum.
Or so. Music museum.
Music museum, but also
1988.
yeah, but as a band, we started in
79.
what is the name of the line?
Kasi after 6 months, pula desman.
Heritage
Regent of Manila.
Regent of Manila.
Alibi.
And then now,
Alibi Bar.
Alibi Bar. Now it's Heritage.
Hindi pa ata kayo pinapanganak, no?
Familiar with the area.
So, how many times a week did we sing? 4?
4 times.
Thursday, Friday,
Wednesday.
Saturday.
Wednesday, Thursday,
And then,
Friday.
sorry, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Up to Sunday?
Oh, nasa audience
I don't
lang.
remember that.
It was my first bar, watching them.
So, ganito yun.
We were
18
meeting
years old.
Sunday because walang
And
tao.
then, little did I know.
Ganito yan. So, we started. And then, ang lakas nung band namin. So, ngayon yung FB manager sabi niya, since you were doing really well, we will move you to, what was that?
Nag-Wednesday pa
Monday?
kayo. Wednesday to Saturday.
Hindi. Pinalitan tayo na
Supposedly
parang
Friday,
something like
Saturday,
Monday.
Sunday.
Ganyan kami.
Parang
Nagtatalo
inubol tayo.
It's okay. No, una nilagay weekday, di ba? Weekday, tapos
Inulog tayo.
ginawa tayong weekend.
Malaki ang confiance na
Una ayaw.
FB manager.
Una hindi kami pinapansin kasi hindi pa nila kami narinig. Anyway,
Tapos yung
but
mga
that's not,
banda before us, inaano nila. Ano ba sala, no? Parang, pinaapi kami. Sabi namin, but it worked. It worked.
kwento ko yun. First day, July 15. Dating kami sa Regent of Manila, may set kami mga ninene. Kayo kasi nagbabanda na kayo, kami nila
Sabihin mo yung
Angeli.
tenga mo, Fe.
Si Angeli, si Eva, at saka pasok kami dito sa room. We were gonna share a room with this band called the Hall of Fame.
Oh, hindi yung Hall of Fame mo nag-ano sa amin. Baka sabihin niya.
And then, ganito lang yun eh. Punong-puno ng damit nila. Tapos may nadadating. Mga bagong salita. Mga bagong... Tinitingnan kami kasi ano sa tayo magme-makeup nito, Jerry? So parang masikip for us, no? Kasi parang room nila yon na nakiki-room lang kami. So that was our first night. But the second night,
May room na kayo.
may room na kami sa sarili. Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng first night.
Diba ang manager namin, may-ari ng Regent of Manila, no? Oo, co-management. Bakit?
But I hear it was phenomenal. I got so lucky that I joined a band that's magaling and phenomenal.
You're blessed.
I cannot
I'm so
forget
blessed.
Alibi Bar is only 120 seater capacity. But the lobby was so full na pati sila Edo Manzano couldn't find seats.
Sila Boss Vic,
Boss Vic, Dolphy, and proud to say that BBM would come.
Okay.
He would jam with us.
As Music and Magic, we were invited in Malacanang and also in their Ulot. Yes.
Where?
But
Ulot.
that was
Ulot is the
79.
Malacanang of the South. In
After 6
Leyte.
months kasi, wala siguro. Meron na siyang ramahali. Parang magaling na babaeng yung gawin natin sa tanong. But anyway, sa solo, nagiging, ang joke ko lagi yung Music and Magic, naging Kula Desma yung Music and Magic. Hanggang sa naging Kula Desma. And then she went on solo. Music and Magic went on. We went on until 1986. We disbanded in 86. But when Angeli left, I forget when Angeli left. When did Angeli leave?
1984.
Okay, 1984.
They just borrowed me from the kapitbahay. I was with the sister band.
Okay.
I was in UP, then at night I would sing with the sister band of Music and Magic.
Yes.
In Wednesdays, there's a band that takes them to Alibi Bar. So kami rin. Then biglang parang nga.
So ganun pala yung naging track ng career ng group ng band from here then outside the Philippines. Tama ba? You had performances.
Oh yeah, kasi we traveled.
You traveled.
North America. We tour kami.
Yeah.
Nag-tour kami.
Ang unang tour was by the Department of Tourism when we went to Carnegie in New York.
Yeah.
The Shrine Auditorium in LA. Yes.
Remember?
San Francisco.
San Francisco.
I do remember. We had a performance.
Yeah.
But I didn't know that was because of the tours.
No. We also went Las Vegas.
Did we?
Yes. And
Yeah,
Vancouver.
so nag-tour ang Music and Magic with crew. And then crew also did her own and Music and Magic did her own. Who was?
Tanongin niya kung sino pinakamasipag.
Okay, sino yung pinakamasipag sa...
Uy, sipag ko.
Yung nakakaalala ng choreo.
At saka boses. Yung
Teacher
nakakaalala.
Teacher mode.
Yung pinaka-pabling.
Okay.
Pero pinakamagaling.
Pinakamaganda. Hindi.
Yung pinakamadaling matawa sa rehearsals.
Matawa?
Yeah.
Sino? Ako?
Ayan, no?
Nagpapatawa?
O kasi ayaw niyong gawin yung mga na ayaw niyong gawin.
Yung pagka-travel niyo po ba, do you consider it yung pinaka-peak ng career?
Yes. Hindi naman. I feel that our peak was Alibi Bar.
Oo, kanya.
Kayo
I think it was so phenomenal.
Yung tavern.
I don't know kung meron.
Dapat nakabili na kami ng mga bahay-bahay noon eh.
pa
Sa
uso
Forbes.
Ano nangyari?
Ano nangyari?
Nangyari?
Parang ikaw na nga nakabili.
Di ba ako bumibili naman? Rent pa lang.
Oo, alam mo, sobra kami magmahala nun. Isa lang ang may kotse. Ang may kotse lang nun, si Nonoy.
But, you know,
Nagkakasya kaming 8 sa
everything
Volkswagen.
worked out. Everything worked out. All of us naman, you know, had very
Successful.
good memories of our Alibi Bar, and then I'm sure their tour, you know, when they would go out of the country, it really solidified their relationship. Kasi naasar din sila sa akin noon kasi
Ay, ako hindi ako. I was happy for
huwag
you.
kang magpangga.
Ay, hindi ako
Talaga? Si Pena talaga.
I was happy for you, pero... Bebero! I was happy for everyone's success.
Hindi, okay yung Music and Magic muna. Tapos naging Music and Magic with Desma. Tapos naging Kula Desma and the Music and Magic.
Naging Kula Desma!
What's one adjective?
Pero naging Kula Desma. After a while naman, naging music.
Yeah.
Karoon naman ng pangalan. Ang Music and Magic. Hindi ba Victoria?
Yes.
Tapos nag-solo na. Solo-solo na kami. Pero nung umalis ako, inaway nila ako. Sila ang nagalit sa akin. Nakipagwala
Sa
ako.
Singapore.
Violent.
Violent?
Violent
May
reaction kayo sa
Atierfel
akin.
naman eh. May Atierfel kami. One lang.
Ay, hindi. Oo nga. Imagine, nung umalis ako, wala na. Ayaw na nila ituloy. Nag-disband.
Umalis ka ba saan? Sa Amerika?
Sa Singapore, Pakistan.
Ayaw mo na.
Magsusolo na kasi ako.
Si Eva din, magsasolo.
Of course, we had to give in to her, her ambitions in life, and it was coming.
And it
So,
worked out well
That's
naman
just
for
the way it
Yes.
is.
And you went to the States. Eva left also.
London.
And I went
she
back to
became-
school.
A dentist.
Actually, ang gusto ko doon, kasi ang nangyari, yung naghiwalay-hiwalay, ang sarap isipin, sabi ko na, once in a while when we get together, tapos each one may mga pangalan na. No, silang lahat, ako lang hindi. Tapos, yung pag sabay-sabay, when we get together na, bang! Which happened in the Music Museum.
1988.
We opened Music Museum and now we're going
Had
back.
a series, right?
Yes, we have a series.
How many years ngayon ang Music Museum, Malo?
37.
Oh, it's a 37.
And that's
Kasi
where we're
open
going
in
back to.
August
We're going
and-
back.
And Music Museum is giving it is rent-free
Yeah.
For Sandra.
for this benefit. Yeah.
Pero ang maganda sa story ninyo, hindi magkakaibigan pa rin.
Oo.
I think we're even more than friends. I think we are a family.
Hindi katulad nung
Ay,
Hindi katulad kasi ng ibang bands, di ba?
No talk na sila, no talk.
Yeah, original yan.
That's Butch Elizalde.
Butch Elizalde.
Yan yung mga kilabot of the
Asa na? Asa na si... Saan si Bobby?
You should see their son, sa guwapo. Butch, sabi mo nandun sila on the day
That's
para
funny
they'll help
kasi
the people be seated.
1986, we disbanded in Singapore. Pero 1988, 2 years lang yun nag-open na Gadi Music Museum. We all had kids.
Nagkano pa tayo? Nag-US pa tayo with her.
No, in 1988.
Hindi.
Before
Paano
Music
kaya
Museum.
susulat lahat yan?
So our original
kids
drummer
na.
is here. This is actually his house. Nonoy Mendoza.
Si Nonoy.
And then that
This has been their house forever.
Sino to?
Yeah. My
Ilang
husband
years
is
na to?
John's brother.
From my end, what is the advice that you can give dun sa mga up-and-coming bands, whether all females, male or
Ini-interview kayo.
para ma-enjoy din yung, the lasting friendship that you
What is
nagkanya-kanya na you foray
what
into.
advice can you give to those who are starting on bands now?
Me, because I joined the band while I was a dentist. We were doing strums. I think if there's no talk about money and work, pag masyadong matrabaho, then the love is reduced. If you do everything out of
If you love it,
love,
do it.
passion, and then you become kinder in terms of what's in it for me. It's more of, uy, I want. It's like this show, diba? I want to join, I want to share also whatever. So that becomes more meaningful at saka walang away. Kasi once money, business, there's already, why did she get more or whatever. But once there's just about sharing, loving to be with each other and the fun.
That goes with the
Wait,
saying.
by the way, that's Bobby Tylo.
Di ba, Bob?
Our bass player.
Maraming buhok yan, shade niya lang. Marami siyang hair. Pinashade ko lang kasi para
Yung
maiba.
sinasabi niya, para malinis. It goes with the saying na the best job in the world is when you work and you don't feel like working. You don't feel it's work. So, parang parang buhay, parang gano'n. Parang walang
Hindi mabigat.
walang
Even for rehearsals, parang, uy, let's go. Parang,
Well,
and then you get paid. Ay,
well,
That's
first
a
of
bonus.
Importante.
Are we getting paid ba now?
First of all, the
May bayad
Music
ba
and
to?
Magic was born and it was put together not by Sandra alone or myself, but it was because
Collective.
everybody
Collective.
loves the fact that they will be able to sing and perform. Everybody who joined it, talagang they love, singing. So, yun ang maganda doon. And then, basically, the music and magic, everybody's, they're all good people. Ibig sabihin, hindi yan the kind of people na talagang magtatarayan or no. It was
May regalo ka sa akin
that
daw.
kind of thing with us. And,
Si manager.
that's how-
Regalo mo ka na kay manager.
that's how I believe, may confidence dito. May confidence.
That's how you believe, Miss.
That's how I believe that every band should start. Well, hindi yung napipilitan for money's sake. No, because money will come, If you love what you do and you do it well, you will make it. You know what I mean? Pero pag pilit, madaling mawala ng member, nagkakaroon ng pangit, yung mga nangyayari. And I believe that the soloists should always make,
Nahingi kang
should
ask.
always, be considerate that when there is an opportunity to perform together, for the others also to come together, for the band to come together, and make, make something, dapat hindi yung parang ang hirap kausapin.
At saka I think it
Kasi
comes
hindi naman
with
yan lagi eh.
a responsibility. Siyempre, you wanna put up a good show also. Hindi pwede lang puro love at fun. Parang you wanna, hey, we have to study the words.
That's
we
the
have
good
to
thing
study
about
the choreo.
music and
we have to
magic.
study the voicing. Because
Music
you
and magic is committed,
Yeah.
to
Ay, that's
perform
not by the
excellent.
No, that's not.